after. He got the fuck after.
I started doing this triathlon and endurance sports, ultra runs, just to test my soul, to see what I'm about, find out limits to myself, limits to the human soul. And every day I'm trying to see if I have limits.
I got lost. I couldn't see it. Damn fog is bad. Running in a cloud. I believe it's January. It's like no snow anymore. In Minnesota. Crazy. Got a hill. Kind of. Out of shape as fuck. Something to okay. I don't know what the best footing is. I'm gonna go here. Can you guys even see anything?
Hey, dumbass, no, future you,
No idea
future
if the
you,
camera
Brandon.
settings right.
They can't see shit because you didn't check the settings properly. It's pitch black. You ran at like midnight and it's dark as fuck, and they see nothing. Good for you, you fucking moron.
My hands are cold. I should have worn gloves. It's like 32 degrees out, I think. I thought it'd be fine. But it's also like raining. Idiot. I do a lot of dumb stuff. It's whatever. Downhill. Slow it down. Should be coming up on a mile pretty soon. I think there's people on that deck. I hear me talking to myself. Like, you're an idiot. Who's out there? One mile. You see that? 13 headed pace, so time 11:08. Alright, walk until 13. And if I lived in a country, city, state, whatever, where it's illegal to spit, I'd be arrested every time I ran. I just have cops following me around. 12 minutes. Effects change. That's what I need to do. Thirty seconds. Turn the volume down. No. Anyone else get those notifications when you're running or working out? Stupid iPhone alerts you that the music's too loud. Fuck off. So in the zone, this music's quiet. Get louder. 2 seconds. Alright, cool. 13. Yeah. 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 Hell. You don't want to day you don't love you. Yeah. Man, I'm really having a hard time seeing it. And it's just on my face. So it's like Star Trek. They're flying fast, going through stars or whatever in warp speed, and just like that's what it feels like. Or like when you're driving and the snow's just hitting the windshield, and you're going like 70, and you should be going like 30. You're like, yeah, fuck it. What's the worst that can happen? Wake up's dead. Wake up dead. How do you wake up dead? I don't know. Heaven, I guess. Hell, whatever. Let's go this side. I'm tired as fuck. Let me slow down a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna go back to this side. Look your mind road. I'm really curious if I'll be able to see any of this footage.
Nope, dark as fuck, can't see shit.
Kinda guessing not. So I don't really know what I'm doing with these camera settings. I'm using the GoPro Hero 7, but yeah, I don't know. It's only shooting low light. I don't know how people do it. And then like stabilization stuff, I have it on. I'm betting I'm once in a while. 142. Holy hell. This side. Alright, new. Something new. We'll let him go in Dakota. As long as no lyrics. The beat is awesome. I first saw it on a scuba diving video. Scuba diving? I don't know, one of those videos where people go swimming in rivers, collect shit, sell it, or I don't know if they find a gun or something, turn it over to the police. I think that was the video I was watching actually with this song. I think they found a gun, turned it over. Pretty cool video. I'll link it if I can find it again. That was like, I don't know, 7 years ago. They say you should be able to jog at a pace you can have a conversation. And I have a conversation with you. Well, I mean, really myself. But, you know, whatever. Just trying to keep my mind off the pain. This is terrible. This sucks. Just keep going. If you haven't noticed, we're looping around again. We've already been here. We haven't been here a lot, but specifically this run. It's already been here. And I'm really going slow. My legs feel so heavy. His legs are heavy. Spaghetti. Those don't feel like it's fine. Is that a person or a tree? Person. That was creepy. Hopefully he doesn't run up from behind me. Exactly. No, we're good. For now. Unless he's got people up ahead. Alright. Let's go around the corner. 20 seconds. Get up. Get his ass. Let's go around him. Yeah, yeah, right. 1.76. 1952. Terrible. See it to 2. Hey, hill. Ooh, we're safe. Hopefully, 83. Fuck. Hey. Inside lane. Turn right. Right. Where? .93. Sun is over. Ain't life wonderful? Ever clear? Wonderful. Used to live at Sawyer High School, so high school life sucked. I just listen to this, so I go for school. I think, yeah, someday it's gotten better. Still haven't really figured it out though. It's cool, I will. My bedroom door. 210, I think. 2 miles. Fuck. 11:35 pace. Where's the first one? 22:32. Just failed the 2 mile ride for the Army. That's cool. Fuck. I don't know. Okay. One more mile. Probably 2 more walks. Three, 4. No, I don't. No. Alright, I'm at 24:30. On for 15 more seconds. That'll put us at about 2.12. Our goal is to hit 2.5 miles before the next walk. And it's really great because coming up on that hill and 5 seconds left. Let's hold this down so you can see a little bit. Okay. Everything is oh no. No, no, don't tell me. No, no, don't tell me. Tell me. The hill. Attack the hill. And you get to the top, relax a bit, and you get to the bottom, the top to go down to the bottom, just gonna glide, stick your elbows out, you just float down the hill. You know, a lot of people talking about how hard to go down a hill, and I run, I'm like, I don't think you're doing it right. Arms out, like wings kind of, elbows like wings, you just glide down, just kind of float. Yeah, really, it's just going down. You don't really like sprint down. Just don't really fall. Oh, I don't know. I can make it 2.5. Shut the fuck up, badass. $2:27. 4 minor. Ouch. Luck, 20%, 15%, power, will, percent pleasure, Crazy. And then I thought, relax. I'm like, I think that they know him, but fuck them. Anyhow, let's go. How's this? Like, he's mad. Who's this guy? I wonder when I play this back, if I'm gonna be like, yeah, I was talking this much. This is the first time I really recorded myself like this before. That's quite possible. I always do. I'm so new. I do it now. So I'm constantly thinking about it, but the very high probability, I always do this. And I wonder when I pass people, like I'm around, what people are, they hear me now. What the fuck? I mean, most people are headphones on, so or not, but alright. 243. Oh my gosh. He's a prick, he's a top. We're new 30, but 29.10. It's like a design, and every time, actually. I don't know, that's up. Awesome, 33, 34. Oh my god, that's really small. I do that again. Sure, you're about to see it. Maybe. For my, you know. Whoop, whoop. She's good. Alright, 2.6. One more to go. And he'll get back. Yeah, I should. I mean, yeah, I should. Yeah. Every day. Yeah. Inside track. .7. 0.3 to go. Inside track. There you go. 2.76. Quarter mile. Fuck. What is this? Business. I bet you feel. Fucking hell. 2.86. Volume's going to turn down again. Shut the fuck up. Fuck away. Okay. .91, 33, 35. So last time it's fine. Better than you were yesterday, right? Yeah. It's on track. Hello, sir. 95. Please be a good talk. Good talk. Crazy. I have 7. This is a track. This track doesn't really matter. Whatever for distance anyway. You gotta go 3 miles where it was, so. Whatever. 3 miles. Fuck. Your miles 34, 31. Save. Fastest lap was 10:44. Pathetic. I think probably have no service. I feel like bird seed or something, I'm guessing. No, posters. I'm an idiot. Yay. Red light. Peace.